Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Surveyo.com paid online survey site review. So you might be wondering what is Surveyo.com here and how does it actually work? So Surveyo is an online paid survey platform where users can earn rewards by answering surveys about different topics. Now, according to the official website here, surveys typically take around 1 to 15 minutes. As you can see here now, they do claim that in here, and availability and rewards may vary depending on your country and profile. The platform says it operates across 197 countries, so that's quite a lot in here. But then again, availability of surveys may be different depending on where you're from. Now, how do you exactly use or how does it actually work here? Now, in order for you to first use Survey here, you need to sign up with a free account. So typically at the top right of the website, you go and click on sign up for free here, and you'll have the option to complete your profile and answer a few questions about yourself, like basic information here and anything that that is rated about yourself, as like for example your name, email, age, your gender. And after confirming your email here, Surveyor provides surveys matched to your profile, showing the estimated duration and reward you before start. Now, you can then choose your surveys you want to complete and answer the questions. So from then on, you just need to basically provide those information, and just make sure that whenever you're answering there's those surveys here, you need to be or you need to answer as honestly as you can. And also, according to them, the website currently says that there's up to like 75 surveys available per day here, although actual availability varies by country and profile. Again, you may not be able to utilize the 75 surveys availability per day here, so again, take note of that. Although again, you may want to see that for yourself. Now, once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold here, you can request your rewards through the available payment options for your country. So Severe lists currently some payment methods here. So in this case, they do have like what we call PayPal, SEPA, Swift, Amazon, and gift cards. So if you want to get paid on certain currencies or methods here, you can go and choose that option in here. And with payments stated to be processed within 48 hours. So it takes up to 48 hours for them to process your payment. Now, the website gives monthly rewards of around $45 to $90 for occasional users, around 90 to 270 dollars for regular users, and a 270 to $450 for more active users here. But then again, these are just estimates here, so it may vary a lot depending on where you're from. So very explicitly says these are just estimates and based on member activity and are not guaranteed. Again, you may want to keep your expectation limited here. Again, it totally depends on where you're from. So, in simpler terms here, Surveyor is a free survey platform where you can create a profile, complete surveys matched to you, accumulate rewards, and withdraw them through the payment methods available in your country. Now, since this involves an earning potential here and you investing time into the website, doing your own research, and checking the current withdrawal requirements, survey availability, and payment options for your country is recommended. And also, maybe checking some reviews inside and outside the website is also recommended, just to make sure that you're making the most out of your time here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.